So here we are, January 25th in southern Ontario, Canada. If you care to pin it down a little further, we're in between Georgetown and Acton. And anyways, we have a good snowstorm coming in, the first one this year really. They're talking 15 to 25 centimeters in our area. And over the next 24 hours, we'll have some silly how not to plow snow and how to plow snow, because how not to in the sense of this woefully adequate equipment we're provided by the landlord, and how to try to deal with woefully inadequate equipment. And should you be a Canadian who had the sense to flee to somewhere warm like Costa Rica, as in hindsight I wish I had it 3 years ago before I ran myself down with whatever I'm trying to do with my channel. But anyways, we will have some snow videos for you. Maybe it'll cheer you up down in Costa Rica and make you glad you left. It's coming in from the east, which is never good. So, more to come later.